You see, the truth is the frustration in Nigeria is just too much. I'm not gonna lie, it's just too much for the average Nigerian because let's forget about everything now. Is the fact that I'm about to say. Because I'm a creative in Nigeria. I'm a young person who started this from scratch. And I know what I'm saying. I know what I've experienced. Bro. Three things in Nigeria, like these three things are going to frustrate you to the peak. I've watched a lot of Nigerians pursue their career. I've met a lot of potential young Nigerians, a lot of creative, a lot of talented young Nigerians that gave up their dream and just started living life just like that. I just don't know how to explain that. But you see, three things in Nigeria that is going to frustrate you and even make you give up your pursuit of whatever dream you have. You see, electricity. I think anyone that is born in this country, anyone that is born and raised in Nigeria is going to testify to that. You see, secondly, network. Oh my God. You see, anything that has to do with application in this country, only God is going to save you. That is the fact, because speaking from the street, because I was born and brought up in a family that is not financially buoyant. I wasn't born with a silver spoon. In fact, I wasn't born close to anything like that. You survive, by everyday hustle, school, coming back, and man. Sometimes we just wake up and be like, I wanna pursue my dream. If there is no light, or the case is the network is bad, or the case is you don't have the resources at that moment. Because sometimes I'll just be ready to do one or two things, maybe record or shoot a video or edit a video or carry out some research. You will just come around and be like, there's no light, and you don't have money for fuel, or you don't have Jane to start up, you don't have the solar as a backup supply. Sometimes you just be like, okay, there is the light, but the network is bad, or your computer is just so slow, the device, or you don't have money for data. You see, if some people are testifying in this country, sometimes you just be like, they just exaggerating things, but it's not a lie. Come down to the north. I've been opportune to travel all around this country, north, east, west, south. I've seen a lot of things. I've met a lot of people. I've solved a lot of problems. I've failed. I've succeeded in a lot of things. But I'm telling you, this country is not designed for the average Nigerian to make it out. I see a lot of kids on the street. Like, I was a teacher. I saw talent. I saw potential in young people. But at some point, I was like, sorry. Because, there is this thing about generation. This generation is the make the money quick generation. And our generation, the millennials, we're trying to live life and pursue our dream irrespective of whatever it is. We believe in working to earn it, and we believe it takes time to make money. But if you look at how the system goes, sometimes honestly you will just be like, I just give up. We started this hustle, with a lot of people today. Some of them have dropped, and some of them have applied and became security in the bank and in cooperatives, and some are just staff, with the state government. Some are just there. Some just went back, become farmers. Like, I'm talking about potential and talented young people. I've met them. We started with a lot of them are nowhere to be found. Okay, being in the entertainment industry for years, like, the challenges are just growing. Every day you just hope that, okay, this problem is gone, but it's never gone. You meet a new problem every day. Man, a lot of time they say Nigerian youths are lazy. If you really come in contact with a Nigerian kid who is pursuing their dream, who knows the struggle of this country, if you see what some people are doing every day to survive in Nigeria, you're gonna respect the hustle of a Nigerian. A society where, forget about insecurity, forget about poverty or other things. Let's come back to the normal grind. You have this zeal, you want to pursue this, you want to become something, or you put in your best. But you see, sometimes it's even from the society. People are just so discouraging. And honestly, I understand it's not everybody that have the mindset of, okay, I'm gonna face my dream, I'm gonna focus. We all have different temperament. Some people want people to motivate them, some want people to support them, some want people to encourage them. It's not everybody that have the mindset of, okay, I can do my best, I can be the best, I can just shut down the noise and just cut through, focus on what I'm doing and just do my thing. It's not everybody that have that spirit. I've been a teacher, I've seen different character in students. I know what I'm saying. Not everybody can do that. And here we are today in a country that even the environment is discouraging you. Now, from the little things I listed, electricity is a big problem. Network is a big problem in this country. You just want to carry out research at some point and you can't, because practically you can't. The system is not designed for you to enjoy that privilege. That platform is not there. You got to build everything by yourself, for yourself. And now that is limiting our number of successful people, because technology-wise, you can't do anything without electricity. You need a high-capacity computer, but you can't. When we come back to sport, I think I'm from a state that there is no stadium. You get what I'm saying? It's now that the governor is trying to even build a stadium in the state. Now, you can imagine if you want to pursue football as a career, how can you make it in a state that don't have a stadium? You see, when you come back, the North is blaming the South is blaming the East is everybody is just blaming everybody. But the main thing I tell you is not that. Sometimes even if you just want to do it, you really want to do it, you can't, because the system doesn't even support you starting something from scratch. I'm sorry to say, but the problem, the difficulty, the challenges of the Nigerian society is too much for the average Nigerian to cope. I tell you, you got to hustle like you want to run mad for some things to happen. And I'm sorry to say that, but I just pray everybody outside there is going to have his own time or his own opportunity to shine. It's just too much.